You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of these Native American people, First Nation. If you want to learn more Native American names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from Dénés, how to pronounce in English. The pronunciation is as Dénés. English, how to say Dénés. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.